Hello. Today, I am Daisy. And I am with my friends. Also, you might be surprised that I even have friends.
Follow me. Guys, okay? You want some food?
Lead it to the camera. Go.
Can I hold the pickaxe? Please. This one.
Well, I don't trust you.
Please.
By the way, this is not made out of the floor. You are not getting that. Wow. It's so legendary.
Living with Hep C, but you don't have to. Talk to a healthcare provider about today's Hep C cure.
Here is all the things I got from that stuff. I got chips. Oh, the chips are in the way. That's this candy. Come on. Here's all the stuff I put out of my bag. There's still some more stuff in there. Yeah. This is the most chocolatey one. I saved it for last. I did horrible on that one.
Yeah.
Noise. Noise.